Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you an important and interesting topic, which is a tutorial on ChatGPT. So, I'm super excited to show you how this amazing platform can make your life easier and more efficient. So, let's get started without any delay. First things first, let me show you how to create an account on ChatGPT. It is super simple and we will only take a few minutes. So now just go to any browser and just type ChatGPT. So whenever you type ChatGPT, it appears over here in this way. So just click on here in this way. Whenever you click, just click on try ChatGPT. So whenever you say here in this way, just you need to head over to sign up button. So here you need to give your email address or you can simply continue with Google. So here you need to select your account and you need to continue it. So here you need to give your date of birth. I'm just giving random things. So here you need to give your phone number. So I'm just giving my number. So whenever you give your phone number, it will ask for a code. So it will send SMS to your number, mobile number. So here you need to enter the code. That's it, guys. So whenever you enter the code, you will see here in this way. It will open in this dashboard. That's it. It is super simple. That's it. You are now a part of the ChatGPT community where you can get instant personalized customer sales, service, and support, guys, from over here. So, for example, let's say I have a question about a product I want to buy, and how can ChatGPT help me with that, right? So, guys, here I just typed it. Write a short description for a new app that helps young people manage their salaries by tracking expenses and providing budgeting tips. So that's it. Whenever I click enter, you can see here, guys, it given everything whatever it is relevant to the question. You can see here introducing Money Matters, the ultimate budgeting app for young people. With Money Matters, you can easily track your expenses, manage your salary, and receive helpful budgeting tips all in one place. So here you can see here, guys, how personalized it is and how exact, and it replied to my comment exactly. Simply, I'm blown away by how versatile the chat GPT is, and it seems so easy to use even for the people who are not tech savvy as me. So, in this way, we can create a lot of amazing topics, guys. I will show you in the upcoming videos. So, there you have it, guys. A quick and easy tutorial on how to create an account on ChatGPT and start taking advantages of these amazing features. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe my channel for more great videos like this one.